Hey guys, what's going on? So, as always, feel free to join our Facebook group, Exterior Cleaning Professionals. We're going to give out a bunch of tips, tricks, all that, and we're going to network with others and let others share so that you can learn how to be a professional and more professional at your trade, your craft. So here, you can see I hit it with the rag a little bit. I'm going to hit it with some water just to show you it's not coming off that easy. On the other side, it didn't come off at all with the rag. This side, it kind of came off. You can see in those few spots. But we use this chemical, and not only that, but with a rag, you'll miss a bunch of spots. But you'll miss the cracks and crevices. But you can see I just did a 1 second swirl with the chemical there. That's all it takes. This stuff is so great at its job. So you give it about a 10-second dwell time. You don't want too long. You don't want it to dry or anything. And you always want to do a test spot, obviously, and make sure the material you're cleaning is safe with this chemical. And we're going to share what chemical this is in Exterior Cleaning Professionals. And bam! Look at that. It's like you're using a magic eraser, but it's not a magic eraser. It works better than that stuff. Look at this. You want to learn what it is? Join our group, Exterior Cleaning Professionals, Facebook, man.